my channel. Ayun, may mga sinampay tayo. Mga uniform yun ng mga bata. So, ganito bakit ako nag-vlog ngayon? Kasi, itong may kanin ako dito. Lalagyan ko po siya ng kape. So, ayan. Nauuna na yung laman ng kape ko. Paborito kong cup kasi aris din ako. So, di ba marami sa ating mga Pilipino na kumakain ng kanin, minsan pa yung iba, toyo tsaka mantika. Na-experience ko na rin yan. Tapos yung iba naman, asukal lang, yung ulam. Tapos, yung iba naman, yung asin, yung ginaganon, binabalot yung asin talaga yung ulam lang. Tapos, ito ako, ulam ko ngayon, coffee and rice. Anong oras na ba ngayon dito? Tingnan natin. Ano na, 4:45. Parang stock lang to. Kasi parang gusto kong kumain ng tinapay, wala kaming tinapay. So, ang ginagawa kong tinapay is kanin. Masarap naman siya. So, alam ko karamihan ng mga Pilipino dyan, nakatry na ng ganito, di ba? Sa, in general, maraming Pinoy, ang inuulam ay kape.
Masarap.
Yan, masarap. Coffee. Ay! Alam, natapon nga.
Galing
Ang tanga ko sa kakaan.
Ang galing mo.
Hindi, kumuha ka na po ng...
Ang galing.
Please. Sorry, guys.
Ang galing.
Ang tanga ko. Na-shoot talaga. Hindi na-shoot. Sa
3
sobrang
points. 3 points.
Ano ba yan? Kayaan nyo na. Ito na to guys. Yung nabasag to siya. Yung ko. So, alam ko sa inyo marami din nag-uulam ng kape. Sa mga ibang pasosyal-sosyal dyan ako. Huwag kayo dyan. Alam ko yung iba, yung mga umaangat-angat na hindi ko na-try yan. Pero yung katotohanan, nung hindi pala nila experience yung buhay mapera, o nung panahon na wala pala silang pera, na-experience din nila yung mga ganitong klaseng pagkain. Yung ulamin yung kape, asukal, di kaya yung Milo, tsaka yung toyo at mantika, toyo lang, yung iba naman asin, ganon. Ngayon, ulam ko, kape.
Kumot-kumot yung kanin.
No, si ate nagluluto siya ng, naglulutuin mo, te? Ano siya ng squash. She's cooking, guys. Vegetable squash. Yan. Kita nyo. Naluta siya. Uulam ako ng kape. May ulam naman kami kasi minsan nakakasawa din yung mag-uulam. Kaya minsan magandang sarap yung paiba naman.
Mabilis pa kain.
Kasi parang hindi ka nangunguya ba? Diretso na lang siya, lunok. Diretso lunok na lang. Wala kasi kaming tinapay eh. Masarap sana yung tinapay, di ba? Yung sa inyo marami yan. Nasawsa yung tinapay sa kape o di kaya yung biscuits. May biscuits kami pero kasi talagang mas feel ko talagang kanin tsaka kape. Tapos with pa yung photo bomber ko, mga sinampay na may dekorasyon pa sa likod natin. Ganda ng background ko. May bayong pa doon. Ito lang yan. Malinis dyan yung labahan niya ni ate. Tapos yung uniform ng mga bata. So, I'll speak it in English. Many guys in Philippines, traditionally, like people cannot afford to buy ulam or like partner with rice or bread. They found something to eat with rice, okay, like sugar, salt, and then or soy sauce and oil with rice, and then coffee, like I do now, coffee with rice. So that's Filipino if we cannot afford to buy anything to partner with rice. So that's what I do. Okay, so I hope you understand why I'm doing this, because it's in general in Philippines. It's not about being like to embarrass my country or Filipino, but it's good. It's nice. It's nice to experience. You guys, you like coffee, right? So it's really good to mix it with rice. I like it myself, though. I don't know if you do. But to eat coffee with rice, good. Nescafe. Coffee with sugar. Don't. Of course, it's not good taste if it's only coffee, but must have sugar itself also together with the coffee. If you want to eat the rice with coffee. There's been mosquitoes here. Ricks. Wala naman ako. Pasok na ako muna sa loob. Nilalamok na ako, guys. May lamok dito. Ga-allergy ako pa naman pag sa kasi open kasi yung kitchen namin dito, yung dirty kitchen namin. Open siya, guys. Kaya maraming lamok. Pasok muna ako sa loob. Napunot na naman ako sa kagat ng lamok. Hello, guys. Say hello to my vlogs. This is Angel and this is Rene and my two kiddos. Say hello, everybody. Hi. How are you, everybody? So mommy having coffee. So guys, I will ask you something. Angel, do you like coffee to mix like a soup or rice? No. What about you, Rene? You like coffee to mix with rice? Huh? Personally, you like it? Can you say it in word? That's how Filipino, guys, when you say yes, like this typical Filipino, they just raise their eyebrow. So my two kids, they are mixed, okay? They're not pure Filipino. Their blood is half European. So Rene, tell the audience, do you like coffee to mix it with rice? Yes? Can you say in words, please?
Yes.
So my daughter, she doesn't like coffee with rice. And she's not supposed to do that because she got like blood infection and she's not allowed to do that anyway. Okay? So my son, do you really like it? Coffee with rice? Okay. So I hope, guys, if there is any one of you there experience what I experienced eating rice with coffee, it will be nice for you to make a comment down below of this video, and just to hear from any of the Filipinos outside the Philippines or within Philippines, if you guys experience this kind of way of eating the food, rice with coffee. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a good day, everybody. Bye bye. Bye. Say bye. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Have a good day. So I hope you learned something from my vlogs about Philippines and about the Filipino way of eating the food, how we love it, or do we like it? Of course we do, we guys, but it's really like in general, many Filipinos just like coffee with rice. Yes. So thank you for watching.